Hello folks, Richard Fontaine here. Now thank you for checking out my product review. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now this is an exceptional offer, folks, so I recommend that you grab it, and I have identified that product in the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can get the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video, and when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses for free. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And number 3 shows you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. That's how you become a middleman. And number 4 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And besides that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliate marketers, plus much, much more. This offer also includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Now, let's get on with our review.
Imagine if you could tap into the most underutilized $19 billion platform that almost nobody else is using. A platform which has almost no competition. A platform that lets you get in front of 1/3 of the entire world's population. Yes, 2.78 billion monthly active users, and I'm not talking about Facebook. And you don't see ads on this platform. Like I said, almost nobody is using this platform for traffic and sales. Why? Because up until now it just hasn't been possible for the little guy. And there's been nothing available on the open market that allows beginners to leverage this platform for free. The fact is, the money is in the list. But most marketers fail to turn their list and leads into money. You need a hot offer, a killer contact list and top-notch messaging platform to make tons of money online. You could easily get hot incredible offers anywhere on the internet, but without an engaged list and a top-notch marketing platform to blast your offers, you can't make money. And most email marketing platforms sold are either complicated, confusing, broken. They simply don't live up to their wild promises. Now I must warn you, this has nothing to do with traditional email marketing platforms like Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp or ActiveCampaign. You've been held hostage by these outdated, overpriced email autoresponders that drains your wallet every month, leaving you with no profits. To make matters even worse, you'll still struggle with low open rates and click-through rates, restrictions on contact imports and list, poor conversion and sales, account suspension or ban, and messages landing in spam folder. This new AI software leverages a platform which has been under your nose this whole time and boasts marketing messages get 100% delivery rates, 98% open rates and high engagement unlike any other. The future is here. Say goodbye to expensive email marketing and list building. Skip the crowded inbox, go straight to their pockets and sell directly to 2.5 billion customers. Introducing Zap AI, the world's first Nexus AI WhatsApp autoresponder that creates and blasts unlimited bulk messages to unlimited contacts for maximum profits. Comes with built-in lead finder that extract red-hot mobile leads in any niche and flood them with your offers for maximum profit. Achieve 98% open rates to unleash limitless traffic and skyrocket your sales. No monthly or hidden fees with Zap AI. You won't have to pay a monthly subscription to use Zap AI. You can import unlimited phone leads without paying extra fees. Build AI-powered WhatsApp store instantly and drive 13 times conversions. You can even create an automated AI WhatsApp sales assistant that qualify your visitors to paying customers. Need high-quality content at lightning speed? Zap AI generates high-converting messages with just a keyword. No more spam. Say goodbye to low open rates, bad conversions, and zero sales. Imagine having an autoresponder that has absolutely no limits. Now Zap AI gets you free buyer traffic from a 2.78 billion visitor traffic source. And no, this doesn't include messaging random people or doing anything tedious, tiring, or boring. It's 100% automated. We created this software to give back, eliminate the learning curve and shortcut beginners directly to results. This is the answer to your traffic and sales problems. It's unique and it's a first of its kind solution. In fact, it's never been done before ever. So how does it work? Simply activate the Zap AI software by clicking and let it know which web page, affiliate offer, funnel or link you want traffic sent to, and watch as the traffic starts pouring in as little as 23 seconds. Zap AI is easy to use, newbie friendly, and you don't need any tech skills or existing audiences to get results with it. So you're probably thinking that this never before seen unique free buyer traffic software is very expensive. Although it would be easy to charge you $197 a month for this, considering it's 100% new, untapped and fresh. But we won't, because we want to level the playing field so you too can get results. So during the exclusive launch period, we're doing something very special, which means you're not going to pay $197 a month. You're not even going to pay $47 a month. In fact, you're not going to have to pay monthly at all. By hitting the button below right now, you get instant access to Zap AI for a heavily discounted one-time only price. But it gets better. When you act now, you'll also get 6 money-making bonuses worth thousands absolutely free. You can see the details below. And to make this a total no-brainer for you, there's absolutely zero risk to you with our unheard of 180-day money-back guarantee. But wait, it gets even better. If you put the software to use and you don't get results, not only will we send you a complete refund, but we'll also send you $250 out of our own pocket. So the only way you lose is if you don't take action on this incredible deal right now. But you must hurry, act fast, because the price goes up every 60 minutes. If you wait, you will pay more. So if you want to use the world's first WhatsApp marketing software to get free buyer traffic before anyone else in as little 23 seconds, then click the button below now to lock in your discount and get instant access to Zap AI. Oh, and I almost forgot, when you order today, you'll also get the Zap AI Suite for free, which allows you to send unlimited emails, store unlimited files, and build unlimited funnels. No monthly fees ever, just our gift to you for trying out Zap AI. You can check out all the details below. So hurry, click the button below for instant access. Do it now before the price increases, and we'll see you on the inside.
And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You will not be disappointed. And remember my 5 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to conduct your affiliate marketing business easily. Now, thank you for watching, and don't forget to purchase this product. Bye for now.